Good afternoon.
Oh,
Kwaku,
oh,
Mpacho, good afternoon. But I say been a chiri maju na mpese mi bisa wa dinshire. Efa Kennedy Japan ni announce issue aba announce ni Kennedy Japan e court. Wa o sha asemi e be wa kwesisen.
Oh, boss, asema wo bisa me dey nanka. Enya asem bi anka ese me sheda kasa wo ho. What you say? But what about primini dey ese me tibi chire nsem kakra chire Ghana fo. Canada Japan any announce issue. Meji sampling for me nyina meji omudi e ban hwehwemu dia meji omudi. Se bi announce nyini paketwa. What you say? Ye kase obi ye ye hwehwemu a. Announce wonyini paketwa okromi a. What you say? Announce netimi do asuko baby a wo nsɛmtwerɛ ni a wo ti radio so se TV so wonye no announce be kwa akoye de aba. So Kwaku board. Yes. Sab nhwehwemu we anase koye no eburadwene ntiase so. Ono de wo video but me bi se ni pado do se ne tibi yen sentrofo adwuma even recording committee me ye. There be no shada ni hosa. But this guy etimi yen hwehwemu atimi kofa san kofo Kwaku board. Omo di triakọ Togo ni Beni ni ade nyina no. This guy go and research clearly and properly to the Ghanaians. Are you understand me? Okay, and check ra. Shegan namra nimdifo. We are lawyers. This country. But this guy go to them like and track them and go and take like oh my god. Evidence to that purpose. So kaya and this person yes one. Ana na nsia de kura ye fresh sabi onke nantwie bi na kese fresh toilet aye on a friend say GFA. Look at them, look at the like a normal a kwa of fast one with me yes how research way it me gather some friend say GFA peoples. Are you understand me? Le free president and so and so a premier man for who said the normativity. Nessa announce America. The powerful Nsemfon even a police for baby the like CID and so but a human announce here no omutimi. Let me go back to Honorable Canada Japan. Oheneba Meti Krom ya ba kuso minim for Honorable Canada Japan say ye ka honorable on the side honorable Nsemfon. Self information. This man is the perfect. Even also Ghana have on where people, but NDC to me koye meeting. Nsem ono Canada Japan cry friend NDC ni dia catch say ye ko meeting no say ni na ede esi ana meboa but try meboa na omwa it is a watch something for ya honorable Canada Japan oh so do ono say I for kwa no way oh mechanical ni dia mechanical atie for na adofo awo fiti ye honorable sem no ensem trojuma ne de minim adu da bia mpese busa say wade wo yes ko school ensem trojuma na ana hwewo ma we no so no Canada Japan kwa no ho type bia buka me udi si obetwa what you say about Adom TV oho on the catch obi say na fun se bofot but na fun ko ka say bofot no o sa ba mu a was our evidence ma afun no but when na kosi say some painful when me no nya asem ana ba ko kache ba ko say me do wa court oh anase dey honorable Canada Japan akwa so say men sem na wo say make ka say an edu o mama gide mudie say na Canada Japan so kache say that thing I'm speaking of he have evidence. Trust me, trust me say sa case way if you go to court a pie you call something like a pie because Canada Japan cross show one evidence of a pie wabagu and I dem claim me boy
the okani moya no but how did the Canada Japan obenya sa evidence in dia ko
oh and pay for say would you come for dia say would you come for this wa penya the company come wo fie asena na ko badwum se be ye wongu woni mas Canada Japan asem na ye kan wo kromi ha no ono before obo so wo bo wan ye setama bo se sebi wo pese wo se koto bo wa bensuo na den tem firi nsu ase be ka cho say den nsu ana bo nsu awu a don't like and degrade them like mama kontokwa because on do den tem den nsu why asase so ne nsu maboa papa de be what must but the one thing is can the Agyapong case or evidence if you on nim the enti case or evidence about amene yaw it is some painful asem no any per we Nsem training na wo ka bia hu nika we police ni na wo mu a hu ne ye wo lawyer na wo interest wo ma no ahwe ni ye because akwasa wale form you no nya ntokwa sentokwa ni tutwa amaye ba ko why third person and to trust me pass ma make farmer ke be nso ka say omo case ni be power court and asem no court 20% me wuram dito are you understand me because so share baby am tia me jim from akakra they make us what must ya e bom enframa me pɛ court asem bia but me simple phone me say calm down akoma no confirm because aso akase me enu nya ntoko a the strong animals is fighting, the small animals is down, is suffer. The trees and so and destroy and like no matter say. You understand me? It's minimum say be out to be track, but this is the life. A career in the pound, normal. Normal. Now free.
If sorry. If you remove TV,
remove TV.
Patry. Nancy and I buy more. You buy near 3 months.
Sir,
Patry.
I want soon to say.
Media. Mina maybe say assembly. We no also be some assembly. Mina maybe some. Mina maybe say.
I don't know only pay you assembly.
Mina maybe some assembly. Muna Ghana. Muna munum bibi ekoso Ghana. Intina ye bi some assembly.
Only is over Pamako to troubles, man. I want to among some trouble, Munshi and Yansa. What has my mecca?
We are some kind of this.
Oh, my church, and Massam, you now, who catch him some many questions to be so awesome. Who are you?
Oh, dear, for missing here.
I'm a camera finish.